Hey guys, it's your girl, the weird potato, and now I'll try to get to the blue platform and I'm already dead. I'm already dead. Are you serious? Why am I hated? Oh, Bru, what happens if you go in it? Ooh, I want to go in it. What's gonna happen? I'm so skinny! I want to be Dicky Nicky. Let me be Dicky Nicky. Oh, flip. Yeah, I'm going to a corner because I don't think they oh my god. Ah, I fell off. Dang it, I lost my skinniness. I was a skinny legend and now I'm not. I'm a sucker. Oh, now you died too. Okay, if y'all didn't know, this is my cousin Alan 911. Her name is Sanaya.
Hey.
And I'm Cadence. If you
I'm
didn't
over
know.
here being nasty.
Be right back, guys. And now lava is rising. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no, I'm not even close to the building. I'm so far. Great. I died already. Hey, like and subscribe if you want a burger. Like and subscribe if you want a cheeseburger, or you want some, or do you want, or do you want some monies, or do you want money, or this, or a cookie, or a speed coil, or I think that's it. That's all I got. Oh, flip and run at how?
How about die?
Great, I already died. Dang. Wait, run away from the tornado. Oh, God. Not this again. Are you serious? Oh, no, I got it. Yep, and I'm dead. Bye-bye. Why do you scream so loud? Oh, my God, girl. This tornado needs to like that. Oh, God, don't die. Don't. Are you serious?
Oh, my God.
Night, why are you screaming? Why are you screaming?
Okay.
And I'm falling down. And I'm not down. Is this person okay? Boy. The cake is alive. Okay. Oh, God, the button's gone. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought I saw it. Are you serious? Great. Hey. Hey, let the weird potato find it. No. Ooh, the dice. Are you serious? The banana, let's go banana. I sound so sarcastic. Ooh, let me be Dicky Nicky. Oh, I'm not Dicky Nicky, but I do got a big head. After this, we're playing the elevator. Get through the hole in the wall. Oh, flip! I didn't see that. Go, 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 go! Yes. Yeah. Even though. Boy, why are you playing that music? It's annoying. Shut it up. Shut up. Stop playing that. It's annoying. I swear. Oh, flip. Boulders. Let me. Yay! Wait. Did you die the other one?
Yep.
Oh, so that's why you. Wait, was he skinny or did he have a big head?
You're gonna poop us out, guys.
Yay! Oh my god, great. Now we gotta hear I am blue because you turned yours all the way up. Oh god.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. Jesus, you know I got feelings too. Oh, why did I do that? Now I lost my big head. No. Like, can you please turn that down? I do not want to hear I'm blue. Oh flip, no. We finna fight, bruh. We finna fight. We finna fight. I ain't about to deal with this now. You know what? Yes, I am. Yeah. Die. Wow. Okay, I'm so good at this game already.
Blue boy. Kill him.
Kill the blue boy. Oh, flip. Oh, shoot. Die. Frick. Oh, girl, fight. Oh, man. I was killing everybody until that freaking boy. Get that boy away from me. I don't like his music. He got bad quality music. No. Do you want money instead of people? Here, I'm gonna give you money. Like, do you want money back?
No.
Okay, let me just give him money. He might be hungry for money. Because that's what all people are. Oh, frick! Hey! No. Here, eat money.
Flip.
Eat money. Here, you can eat money. Eat all the money. Not you. I'm talking about this boy right here. This. Oh, okay. He done eating the money. Wait, what? Get to the what? Oh, flip! Okay, somebody please ban this blue boy. I do not like his music. Are you okay? Oh my, who did this to you, little newbie? Who did this to you? Who did it? I will kill them.
For you.
Oh, flip! That's it. I'm not dealing with this. Yeet. Okay, just got yeet. No. I'm smart. Die. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, no. No. I'm sorry for my nose, guys. Die! Frick! I didn't get him. Ah! Frick! Where did that come from? Okay. Go! Don't scream. You're gonna make me not concentrate. Do you want me to win for you? Oh. I hope this blue boy dies. I'm tired of his music.
Don't die, okay?
I'm not. Why is he by me?
That's what I think. You was by me. She was by me while we were working. That's fine.
Hey! That girl pushed me!
That's why she's gonna die.
You freaking
Freaking blue hole.
Wait, whoa. Get through the hole in the wall. Okay.
I can't let it.
Yay!
I made it through! That's not fair!
There we go. Okay. Guys, if you're enjoying so far, please make sure to leave a like to get this cookie. Oh my god. Are you serious? Taneo, I hate you. Whoa! Oh, I didn't die. Okay. Thank you, Taneo. You don't suck anymore.
I hate Taneo.
Hey! It just yeeted me. Oh my god. And I'm dead. Go! Ooh, what can I get? Ooh, I want to throw in Spark. What's up? Wait, let me see. I want to see it. Oh, it's Spork. I'm about to... Hold up.
My dog!
I'm just throwing Sporks at y'all.
My dog!
What else can I buy?
My dog!
I can't buy anything else. What is that? Oh.
Look at mine. No. A dog. This is mine. My one and only dog.
Oh, no, not him. No, heck no. I ain't dealing with him now. He's slapping the dogs off now! Mr. Dogs! No, come back. No. Bye. Wow.
I'm over here.
Night is literally Baldi. It's Baldi. Hey, freaking Baldi, if you don't get the frick away from me. I swear. Oh, he just blew up. Okay, stop playing that music, bruh. Who wants to hear run? Ew, my face. Let me die. Hold on. Where's the end of the world? Oh, finally. There we go. Hey, y'all. How y'all be doing? My face is ugly. Are you serious?
Did you make it, Taken?
No, I died.
Oh. I'm the only person. I was the only person, right?
Yes. Oh, no, Naya. Who be calling you?
Hello? Hello?
Guys, be right back.
Hi, hello.
We back. Stop! Oh, I swear, boy, if you don't stop playing that music. Wait, trivia question? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait, what year? How am I supposed to know that? 2019? Oh, okay.
I got it wrong.
Wait, what'd you put?
2018.
I put 2019. I was like, what? Run to a corner. Freaking speak out. Oh god, guys, I'm sorry for that ugly voice I did. Oh my god. Use your speaker, it becomes faster.
No.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Hey girl, you want a cookie?
No.
Here, eat a cookie.
No.
Here.
Down bone.
Oh.
Can't catch me.
Just because you guys, I got a speaker too, honey. Go, 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 go. Oh god. Oh flip! We gotta dodge them. Yay! Wow. Wait, you got two?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't even know that. Wow. Okay, we got. Oh my god. Stop. Why do you have to do this one? I suck. I so suck. Ah, go to. Yeah, I'm dead. Bye bye. We should play Fleet of Facility after this. You never play Fleet of Facility. What? I might make a YouTube. Guys, oh no. Oh no. Oh god. This is bad. Okay, there we go. Guys, I'm gonna make a video, of me playing, Fleet of Facility. Ow! That hurts! Wait, what's this? Yay! Girl, if I was on that platform, I would have pushed you. I swear to robot. Wait, I'm about to be Dicky Nicky, probably. I'm Dicky. Yes! Dicky Nicky! Dicky Nicky is coming through. Oh no, not this. If you use the speaker, it will go faster. I'm staying by the buttons. Uh-oh, I'm walking away from the button. Oh god, that's bad. Ew, somebody farted! What? I saw a green cloud. The fart. Ew. I'm still Sticky Nicky, y'all! Sticky Nicky coming through! Wait, don't move. Oh god. Don't move. I'm basically moving because I don't mean this sticky. Oh, flip. Guys, I will be right. Okay, so we're back. And we had guided. Oh no, I'm sad. Oh no, what is this? Oh god, it's bombs. Oh, flip. I say oh flip and what's the flip? Down here? And oh. Well, yeah. Y'all go. Oh, flip! How much stupid? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Speed coil. Go. Gotta go faster. I freaking failed! Why did I sound like unspeakable? Oh, God. I'm turning into unspeakable. Oh, God, guys. Oh, no. Ew, no, not why? I'm not a boy. I'm a gal, okay? I's a gal for cookie, okay? You want? I would be unspeakable if I was a boy. And I said ill.
Why are sheep not on your bed?
Guys, I said ill because like I'm not a boy and I don't look like unspeakable. Unspeakable is a great use. You know what? Shout out to Unspeakable Gaming, okay?
Guys, after KK finished that round, we're going to play some balls and like make YouTube videos now.
Wow.
Oh, you want to make a YouTube video?
Yeah, sure. It was the
Multicolor.
plastic. No, it's not the box. Girl, you almost got it wrong, Conte. I cannot trust you to do my answers, girl.
I know all of these, KK.
You was just about to put Bloxy Cola. This. Newbie, who keeps doing it? Oh, not you. Why? This stinks. Ew, no, stop. Don't put that by me, honey.
It's just beef.
It stinks! Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for that. It's just... Why? What? I see... Hold up, guys. I'm coming back. I gotta throw up. So, guys. So, I'm sorry. I have to... Oh, no!
We have to go, guys.
Okay, guys. So, we're gonna, I'm ending the video here now. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. This may be weird. I'm sorry for all the weird things I have. It might be cringe. I suck.
That's because I
It's gonna get
That's because her name is Weird Potato.
So girl,
I'm gonna break my hip.
things are gonna get way better when I grow up each time. Okay, guys. See you guys later. Bye bye.